Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I will talk about Copilot, which is Microsoft Copilot. Also you can say Bing Copilot. So today's topic is what is Bing Copilot. Bing Copilot is an AI powered virtual assistant that integrates with Bing Search to provide a more personalized and interactive experience. It uses natural language processing (NLP) and machine learning algorithms to understand user intent, preference, and behavior, tailoring search results and recommendations accordingly. So that's the AI. You can do whatever you want to do. You can do search, you can write software testing test cases, you can do lot of things with this Copilot. So I will explore for software testing test cases how you can use Copilot for writing software testing test cases. That is my main goal for today's topic. So in order to do that, you need to open browser. Our Microsoft Edge, I'll use Microsoft Edge, and then you need to go for bing.com. Once you are there, you see there are two Copilot icon over here. Once is here, you see Copilot and icon. Also after the search box, you see here is the Copilot icon. You can click anywhere. If you click any over here, it will open up the Copilot, your everyday AI companion. Also, if you go back, you can click over here Copilot in the top taskbar. If you click over here, it will open the same window. In order to use the Copilot, you need to have Microsoft account. That will be better. So here in the Copilot, you see your everyday AI companion. So you need to ask over here, ask me, you see there is a prompt over here, ask me anything. That means you can ask anything. Copilot has the two versions. One is free, one is the pro version. If you use pro version, you have the more flexibility to search with it, to write the letter. In a free, you need to 2000 word, 2000 letter you can type over here, and then it will give you the answer. So here is the choose a conservation style, like more creative, more balanced, more precise. I will use more balanced. In order to make a short video, I already written the prompt. My prompt is like this way. Can you please write software testing test case for WebTour application login functionality, positive and negative test case in Excel table format with column test case ID, requirement ID, description, expected result, actual result, pass, fail, and comments. I'll use this prompt and I'll see how Copilot create our test cases, and that is applicable for software testing real life or not. That I will verify. So let me paste it over here the prompt, and you can hit enter. Also you can click over here submit button. Let's see, it is submitted. It is start analyzing, and now it is start writing. You see it is writing how fast it is. Like not even a minute, it has been written all the test cases. So basically you see that it has written first 10 test cases. Additionally, consider the following non-functionality security test case. It can be used or not. It is security related, password, character limit. You can use this one or you cannot. It totally depends on your criteria. So let me open up a Excel. I'll paste it over there. Take the test cases. Let me do the formatting. Format cell. I'll do like a text format. Text. Okay. And now I'll copy whatever AI written test cases. Let me select this one from here to up to this and copy. You can download from here too. Let me copy and paste it how it is looks like. Let me paste it over here and resize the column. Let's say test case ID, make in one row. It is just simple understanding purpose. Description, make it bigger, and also expected result, then actual result, pass fail, and also comments needs a little bit bigger column. So here is the test case written. Let me reformat this one, select all the sheet and make it left indent and like this way. That means this is our test case. Basically, if you consider this test case 1, requirement ID 001, valid login description. User logs in successfully with a valid username. This is the expected result. Actual result, after testing, you can write the actual result, then pass fail. So think about it. This test case, you need to write those things, analyze the application, then you need to write this type of test case. Thereafter, you will execute, then fill up the rest of the commands. So Copilot is a AI companion, help you not even a minute. It has been written 10 test cases, but as a human, if you want to write the manual test case, this 10 step, you need to analyze the application, then you can go for the right step by step, invalid password, blank fields, all other thing you need to type by yourself, and you need to write everything, expected result and all other thing. That will take time. Basically, this test case, if you want to write manually, it will take more longer than Copilot created it is. Copilot, it does not even take 1 minute. It in a human manual test case, it will take more than that. That means Copilot is very helpful for software testing, test case writing, and if you use Copilot this functionality, so your software testing, test case writing will be very easier and helpful. In the later video, I'll show you how to write code and SQL query and all other thing, whatever needed for the software testing, how Copilot is very useful for all other tasks for software testing, and it will be so helpful. In future video, I will explore one by one every video, so that you will understand clearly how Copilot can be used for software testing purpose. I believe those who are new in Microsoft Bing Copilot, this video will be very helpful for themselves for software testing, test case writing. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and share it to others. Also, if you have any question about Bing Copilot, I mean Microsoft Copilot, then make a comments. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.